Across nearly every industry, the same shift is happening. Businesses are moving away from on-premise ERP systems and moving toward the cloud. But here's the question worth asking. Is this just a technology trend, or is something deeper driving this shift? In this video, we'll explore why more businesses are choosing cloud ERP and what's really behind the decision. For decades, on-premise ERP was the standard. Businesses owned their servers, managed their own infrastructure, and controlled every upgrade cycle themselves. That model made sense in a slower-moving business environment, but today businesses need to move faster, scale faster, and adapt faster than ever before. Let's look at what's driving the shift to cloud ERP and why it's accelerating. The limits of on-premise systems. On-premise ERP can come with significant costs and operational demands. Hardware to maintain, infrastructure to manage, upgrade cycles that can take months, sometimes years to plan and execute. Every new capability often requires significant internal investment before it's even usable. For many organizations, this slows down the very innovation they're trying to achieve. The system becomes something to maintain rather than something that drives the business forward. Scalability without the heavy lifting. Cloud ERP changes that equation. Instead of purchasing and maintaining infrastructure, businesses scale resources as needed, adding users, expanding into new markets, handling seasonal demand. These changes happen without months of hardware planning. For growing organizations, this flexibility often matters as much as the software itself. Continuous innovation, not periodic upgrades. In an on-premise model, new capabilities often wait for the next major upgrade. Cloud ERP works differently. Updates, new features, and improvements arrive on a regular cycle, often without disrupting daily operations. Businesses gain access to innovation continuously rather than in occasional disruptive bursts. This shifts ERP from a fixed system into an evolving one. Real-time visibility across the business. Modern decision-making depends on current information, not last month's numbers, not last quarter's report. Cloud ERP centralizes data and makes it accessible in real time across departments, locations, and business units. Leaders gain a clearer, more current view of the business. And that visibility often becomes the foundation for faster, more confident decisions. A stronger foundation for AI and automation. Cloud ERP isn't only about where a system runs, it's about what becomes possible once it does. AI-driven insights, automated workflows, predictive analytics become achievable. These capabilities depend on a modern connected data environment, something cloud infrastructure is built to support. Organizations that move to the cloud aren't just modernizing their ERP, they're preparing the foundation for what comes next. What successful cloud migrations have in common. Moving to cloud ERP isn't only a technology decision. It requires the same readiness that supports any successful transformation. Trusted data going in, clear objectives for what the move should achieve, alignment across teams on how new processes will work. Organizations that prepare these areas early tend to move through cloud migrations with far greater confidence. Because moving existing complexity into a new environment doesn't automatically make that complexity disappear. The shift to cloud ERP isn't just about newer technology, it's about building a foundation that keeps pace with how business happens today. Scalability, continuous innovation, real-time visibility, and a platform ready for AI and automation. That's why more businesses aren't just adopting cloud ERP, they're building their future around it. At McKinsol, we help organizations navigate that transformation from SAP modernization and cloud ERP to AI and the technologies shaping the future of enterprise operations. Subscribe to McKinsol for more insights on SAP modernization, enterprise transformation, and business technology strategy.